Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
As we check out the starting lineup with Damien Amondale propping alongside Fasitau Lapa, I'd like to acknowledge the Tauranga Boys High School starting lineup. Competition First 15 Rugby proudly brought to you by Whakata Māori. We're underway. There's the whānau hanging out for a sausage sizzle and a hot pot of chips. Great clearance there. And touch. Going backwards. Here's Aaron Riley with the ball. Drives it down the sideline and followed through there nicely by Kile Lestava. Steps off the left. And just short of the Tauranga Boys centre field replay. In the middles, nice set of hands there. All picked up strongly and offloaded beautifully by Nikolai Tehuia. First five says, hey, give me a crack. That's Luke Thomas. And this is Troy Thomas. Sneaky dart from the halfback there and Zach Forster. Great field position and territory. Tauranga Boys looking to maul their way up the field and across the chalk. Baxter can even get in there. Ball on the line. Taken nicely there and tipped off the back. Got our number 8 in the back line there with Aiden Spratley. Heoi anō, ko piro mai anō a Tauranga. Very dominant in their line-outs and mauling prowess a Tauranga. Little set play there. Once again taken well there by Leo Kearney, excuse me. Speaking of Kearney, these boys are down to push over one more time and they are successful. Let's hope they can turn that into points. Could be a card here going to ground. He's really knows where the whistle is this referee. Could be aki ene kia koutou ka peka atu ki te tihi umu kuhu hautapu aharane. Whai warane ki te noho tahi me tō whānau. Kaitahi whakawhanaunga. Pūrākau paki waitara. Whakamihi te hunga kua whiturangitia. Ka amatu te whai whakaro. Mo ngā whainga, ngā wawata, ngā moe ao te tau.
Coming back!
As the bench is being emptied, me matara ka tika tata ki tēnei o ngā kai omo ko rāua tahi ngā uri no whiti, te motu o whiti, wai paro huti ona, he tau tīrai raka no hoki. Back to the middle we go. Great left to right pass there by the Tauranga Boys and into the stocky speedster on the right hand side. That's Angus Lovett. Great defense. How many phases near on 20? Rotorua Boys just beat Gizzy. 12 points to 10. Watch out for this guy. Deliver. Got wheels, putting his ears back. And just hitting the corner like a good centre should. It's been a pleasure. Ka kite anō e homa.
Down with this. You try but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this. Whakarongo and you know.